Once we have our link set up, we're now going to create a pseudo element. So what we need to do is select your table like so, and ensure you have a similar tag, so table with left column selected. What we need to do is select this tab here for new CSS rules, and what we're basically going to do is define a new set of CSS rules which govern our pseudo class selectors. So basically we want to select advanced ID pseudo class selectors, and here we want to say space and a, which defines an anchor point. And in define in, we've got mm_health_ new tr, which is basically short for nutrition.css. We've basically got an existing style sheet which resides on our site root folder and has been provided by the template already. So this is the existing external style sheet, and we're going to just add and define our existing rules in this style sheet. Once you've done that, we can select OK. Next thing, from type, we want to basically select none for decoration, and color we want to specify a kind of dark brownish reddish type of color. We then want to go block. We can see that we want these elements at the moment, the links are basically what's referred to as inline elements. They all apply and they all visually appear next to each other. We want them to appear and be displayed in block mode, not inline. And what we now need to do is go to box, and we can select same settings for all, and we can just type in 10 pixels and 10 here. We then need to go to border, and what we need to do is we need to give a basically define some space between each elements. So for the top, I'm just going to switch these off, and for the top I'm just going to give solid, and again for the bottom solid, and here we'll say 1 pixel, and here we'll give 1 pixel, and the color of which I'll specify the same as my template here. So basically this will just give us space between those elements, so they'll appear to be more as buttons, to be more like buttons, shall I say. Once you've finished that, go ahead and select apply, and we can select OK, and you'll notice what's happened where they're all button type elements. Now the next video will show you how to create the rollover component associated with these buttons.